Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you need to find where the ignition coil condenser capacitor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it, stay with us, we're going to explain that today. Now, we'll share very helpful information, so make sure you stay until the end and we'll try to save you quite a bit of money. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So specifically guys, 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, that's a 2013 model. Now you can see we have the air filter box removed right here. You don't need to remove yours guys, you don't need to do that. What we did guys, to show you clearly, we removed the air the air hose from the air filter box to the throttle body so we can show you clearly, but practically you almost don't need to do anything like that. If you need to, you can disconnect the hose from the air filter box and from the throttle body, that hose, and flip it on the side so you can get to it. Now looking at it guys, this is your coolant temperature sensor, thermostat, all that stuff, and then you come to that device right here. Okay, this device guys is the ignition coil capacitor, condenser capacitor right here. Now on this thing guys right here, you're going to have one tooth. Ours is broken, we just found it guys. That tooth is right here, it's located right here. You will need to pry it out a little bit, and ours is so stuck guys, but once you pry it out, you can grab that thing, move it a little bit, everything's rusted, and that's the ignition coil condenser capacitor guys. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. How you guys remove it? Disconnect that safety clip first, with probably a screwdriver, because you may even damage your nails if nothing's been removed here for a while. That's the safety pin. Pull it back, now press down and disconnect it guys, and this is it, that device right here. We have a special video that explains what it does, symptoms of bad ignition coil condenser capacitor and all that stuff on our channel. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.